In this experiment, we will compare the water vapour content of breathed air and unbreathed air. First, use a pair of forceps to take out a piece of dry cobalt chloride paper from the dissector. Hold it against a dry mirror. Breathe onto the surface of the mirror twice. What do you observe on the mirror? Is there any change in the cobalt chloride paper? Then, rub the surface of the mirror with tissue paper to make it dry. Use a pair of forceps to place another piece of dry cobalt chloride paper on the mirror. Observe any changes in the paper for 1 minute. In this experiment, when we hold the dry cobalt chloride paper against a dry mirror and breathe on the surface of the mirror, the paper changes from blue to pink more quickly. This shows that breathed air contains more water vapour than unbreathed air.